Fire Mountain Gems and Beads offers over 50 varieties of glues and adhesives. But with such a wide selection, how do you know which glue to use for your project? So with that question in mind, we've created the perfect tool to keep your creative endeavors in one piece. The Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Guide to Glues and Adhesives. This easy-to-use chart not only shows you all of our available glues and their applications, it also cross-references surface type by glue type. Whether you're looking to glue gemstones to wood, secure elastic cord, or set crystals into findings, this chart has the answer to all your glue and adhesive questions. Check it out. Click the link or visit us at firemountaingems.com.